Okay, I got your plan open here. I'm going to zoom in to this trouble area and just snoop around. Okay, that wall is an interior wall that's protruding up here. Let's see if we can just, and it's out of alignment. I don't know if that's significant or not. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm just going to reshape the wall polyline so that the interior wall is underneath the roof. We'll put a break line there and try to pull that below the roof. That should clean, I think that'll clean that up. Well, not totally. Let's click on this. Yeah, this wall polyline's kind of aberrated as well. Not quite sure what's causing that. It might be the roof plane. Let's see that out there. Click on the roof plane and just nudge it back just a little bit. Well, no. See, that wall polyline is aberrated. You know, it's not that it's being a problem. I don't mean to use a word that you might be unfamiliar with, but they used a railing wall so you'd have that reveal there. Oh, okay. This must be a deck over here to the left. I see. Okay, that's a molding polyline, looks like. Let me see what that is. Yeah, molding polyline. I guess that rail, yeah, it's a rail cap that you've got going on there. It goes up here. Yeah, clever. It'd be nice if I could just pull this over. I can't really do that. You try to do it this way. Well, it's just a complicated 3D modeling problem for cheap architect to handle. I mean, this artifact here is coming from the room dialog box, I believe. You click on it, you get a room dialog box. And in terms of the elevations, you could temporarily just turn the ceiling off. And maybe that would handle that. Okay, that did. I realize you have to have a flat ceiling in here, but it's going to be coffered by this roof plane here. So I would just turn the ceiling temporarily off to get my elevations done and any 3Ds. Let me see what else you got here. So we handled that one, this one. I figured that one out. Let's see what else. I think it's the same thing, but on the other side, right? Let's see if that's right. Where's the rotator gadget? There it is. Well, that looks clean on this one. I don't see a problem. Let's see, let me check your picture. Well, there's no problem. Oh, you just wanted to look like the other side. Okay, I think. Let's see what's next. Oh, that we already handled that with the other fix by straightening up those wall polylines. Yeah, okay. So I think that's it. You just had, oh, now let's look at this on the inside. Okay. Okay, we'll close this. And is that where the deck is? Yeah, I guess that's where the deck is. You can see there's an artifact showing up when you select the area. See, right there. I don't know what's going on there, and it's not being a problem, so I'm not going to worry about it. But it is kind of an out point, something that's there that shouldn't be there. Okay, that looks all right. It looks all right to me. Look, maybe I'm missing the point here. Let's see there. Now that doesn't look like what I'm looking at. And that's a really small picture, but I don't think I've seen that in your plan yet. That's not this area of the plan. Where is that? Let's do a dollhouse and see if I can find it. Is that over here? You don't have to answer that. I'm talking to myself. Okay, that's it. And what was the problem? First floor, they show up as, okay. I don't see a, well, it's not perfect. I mean, it's good enough for construction documents. Maybe if you're going to make a 3D model for, okay, again, that's a wall polyline problem. See, there's an attic wall. I believe that's an attic wall. Let's see what it is. It's an attic wall, sure enough. But what's this wall over here next to it? Okay, it's a bunch of railings, so I wouldn't mess with that. See, I think this is good enough. I would leave it alone. Now, it looks like it's out of alignment. Well, it doesn't show out of alignment. But you might be able to fix it by reshaping this lower polyline just to smooth it out. Put a break there, and then put another break to fill in that hole with this lower wall. That's kind of what I had in mind, something like that. And that's fine as long as it doesn't mess up the outside. Okay, that cleans up the interior view. Let's see if it messed up anything on the outside. And some of these repairs have a domino effect. That wall supposed to be there? I guess it is. No, we're still clean. It's a nice looking design, by the way. Good job. Or whoever designed the house, and also your 3D modeling work is very nice. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.